Here's how I added beautiful pops of metallic gold to my home using decor that I made myself for less than $20. Instead of purchasing expensive florals, I picked up these Dollar Tree artificial ferns and a can of gold spray paint. I applied 3 coats of the spray paint, a coat of gloss sealer, mostly to the stems, and some extra fine silver glitter. Once the paint dried, I had a beautiful gold leaf bouquet that I can display through the summer and fall. Need new wall art but don't have a large budget? Grab some particle boards and wood blocks from Dollar Tree. As you can see, these boards weren't the same width, but I'll show you how I solved for this a little later on in the video. To color my Dollar Tree resin, I'm only using art supplies that I already have at home. Here, I'm using half of the resin to cover the entire wall panel. I'll use the rest to create my design. Things were going well until I decided to add this black alcohol ink. As soon as I started using my heat gun, I noticed that the black alcohol ink turned green. Right around here is where I think my panic set in. I should have left well enough alone, but I spent the next several minutes adding anything that I could think of to hide the green color. And let's just say if you looked up doing too much, you would see a picture of me with all of the stuff that I added to this poor painting. Eventually, I had to stop because the resin began to cure, so I finished the painting by adding a few different types of glitter on top, and I hoped for the best. As the resin continued to dry, I was pleasantly surprised with how beautiful this painting turned out. So here's your proof. You can't mess up abstract resin wall art even if you try. Looking for something unique? Well, here's another idea using more of the particle boards and wood blocks. I didn't like how the paint was turning out, so I'm adding some Dollar Tree cream faux leather. I'm adding the leather to the back and bottom of my design first. For the front and sides, I'm adding a second piece of the leather with Mod Podge, but I'm also adding some clear tacky glue. I picked up a few items from this really cool Pride section that I noticed in my local Dollar Tree, as well as these rainbow stickers that I thought would be perfect for this project as well. I do wish the letters were a bit bigger, but I'm super happy with how my little wooden tote bags turned out. Creating and celebrating uniqueness is what this channel is all about. And while I don't usually use a lot of colors, as an ally, I'm super excited to display my Pride-inspired tote bag. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If so, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, Dazzlers, bye!